Imagine this. It's 5 years from now. You're waking up in your dream home, driving the car you've always wanted, and running a business that not only pays the bills, but gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the harsh truth. 90% of businesses fail within the first 5 years. And do you know why? They didn't have a solid business plan. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a business plan that actually works. One that doesn't just look good on paper, but sets you up for real success. Whether you're dreaming of starting your own business or you're already on the journey, this video is your blueprint to winning. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to turn your vision into reality. Now, I know what you're thinking. Business plans? Boring. But trust me, this isn't your high school group project. This is the difference between being stuck in a 9-to-5 grind and living the life you've always dreamed of. So, are you ready to get started? Define your vision and mission. Every great business starts with a clear vision. Think of it as your North Star. It's what keeps you focused when things get tough. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? Who am I serving? And what impact do I want to make? Your mission statement isn't just a fancy sentence for your website, it's the heartbeat of your business. It's what makes your customers say, wow, I need this in my life. So, take a moment to dream big. What legacy do you want to leave behind? Because here's the thing, when you have a clear vision, you're not just building a business, you're building a movement. And that's how you inspire loyalty, not just from your customers, but from yourself. But vision alone isn't enough. You need a roadmap to get there, and that's where your goals come in. Let's talk about that next. Set SMART goals. Goals are the fuel that drives your business forward, but not just any goals. SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to make more money, say, I want to generate $50,000 in revenue within the next 6 months by launching my online store. Why does this matter? Because when your goals are clear, you can track your progress, celebrate your wins, and adjust when things don't go as planned. And trust me, things will go off track. But with SMART goals, you'll always know where you're headed. Think about it. Every big business you admire started with a single goal. What's yours? Write it down. Commit to it. Because the clock is ticking and the world is waiting for your idea. Now, here's a question. What's the one goal that excites you so much it keeps you up at night? Let me know in the comments below. Once you've got your goals locked in, it's time to talk about the backbone of your business, your strategy. Let's dive in. Develop a winning strategy. Your strategy is how you're going to turn your vision into reality. It's your game plan for standing out in a crowded market. Start by understanding your target audience. Who are they? What do they need? And how can you solve their problems better than anyone else? Next, analyze your competition. What are they doing well? Where are they falling short? This isn't about copying them, it's about finding your unique edge. Because in business, you don't have to be the best, you just have to be different. Here's the reality. If you don't have a strategy, your competitors will eat you alive. But if you do, you'll be the one leading the pack. So, what's your unique selling proposition? What makes you unforgettable? Now, here's the million-dollar question. How do you turn your strategy into action? That's where your execution plan comes in. Let's break it down. Create an execution plan. An execution plan is where the rubber meets the road. It's your step-by-step guide to turning ideas into results. Start by breaking down your goals into actionable tasks. What needs to happen this week, this month, this quarter? Then, assign responsibilities. If you're a solo entrepreneur, this might mean wearing multiple hats. But as you grow, you'll build a team that shares your vision and helps you execute it flawlessly. Remember, you don't have to do it all alone. Surround yourself with people who believe in your mission and have the skills to make it happen. Together, you'll achieve more than you ever could on your own. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, just take it one step at a time. Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. So, what's your first brick? Building a business plan that actually works isn't just about writing down ideas. It's about creating a roadmap for your success, one that's clear, actionable, and aligned with your vision. And now, you have the tools to do just that. But here's the thing, a plan is only as good as the action you take. So, what's stopping you? The world needs your ideas, your passion, and your unique perspective. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Imagine where you could be a year from now if you take the first step today. The life you've always wanted is within reach. All you have to do is go after it. If you're ready to take the next step, I've got something special for you. Check out my video on 5 essential steps to start your own business. It's the perfect companion to this guide, and it'll show you exactly how to turn your plan into action. Click the link on the screen or in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building the life and business of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who plan for it. See you in the next video.